Hey guys, Larry Naraga here. Something cool to show you. That little faint star is Saturn. The brighter one is Jupiter. They're so close together. And got the sunset here. I just wanted to show you guys this. What? Oh, it's a helicopter. No, that's a low-flying plane. Nice. Must be looking at the Christmas lights or something. Sorry. Nah, that was cool. Speaking of Christmas lights, the square is just down there. Darn it. Focus. I'll have to walk around there sometime. It's really pretty. Lights of the Ozarks. Super warm, so who knows? I might do it tomorrow night. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.